Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to send a group text message on Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. Firstly, go into the messages. Now tap on Start Chat, create group. Now select the contacts that you would like to send your message to. Also, you can just type in the phone number by tapping on the dial here. Now select the phone number, then just tap on next. You can create a group name if you would like to, then just tap on next once again, and now you're able to send a message, and all of the replies are going to be in individual conversations, so the chatters won't see each other. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.